I am Nathan Bixby. I am here in the Welding Technology program at NIC. Well, for me personally, the Metallica Scholarship has helped me stay out of debt so I can accomplish my goals in school. I also enjoy Metallica's music, so that's awesome. I used the scholarship money to pay for tuition and school supplies. Sometimes it can be expensive buying your own tools, so I really appreciate that. After this semester, I have 2 more semesters that I am planning on going to. They have 6 different welding certifications, and I hope to get all of them. And eventually I would love to start my own welding and mechanicking business. And I just want to thank the Metallica group for giving me this opportunity to go through school here at NIC and have a fun time doing it. I am Nathan Bixby. I am here in the Welding Technology program, and I am a Metallica Scholar.
My name is Dominic. I'm in the CNC and Machining Technologies course here at NIC, and I'm a Metallica Scholar.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Aside from being a Metallica superfan, the money has helped me afford my commuting costs and new winter tires for my car because we are dealing with ice up here in North Idaho. Being a Metallica fan and receiving this gift from them has been a really exciting experience, and in addition to that, I have a dream of one day repaying them with perhaps making them on a CNC machine something music related or some kind of rad guitar or something like that. Maybe actually somehow give to them would be pretty cool. Being a student here at the Parker campus and this machining program has been a wonderful learning experience, and we've got incredible brand new machines in here. This is a multi-million-dollar facility, and it's probably one of the best in the region, if not the West Coast. Upon completion of the program here, my long-term goal is to open my own shop, either doing prototyping or making something that aligns with my hobbies, but there will probably be a period where I'm going to work at another shop, get more experience, and help finance that endeavor. Being here in the North Idaho College has been a really great experience, learning a lot, and we have a really beautiful facility here with lots of new machines, and I'd love to see some more folks in here. My name is Dominic. I'm in the CNC and Machining Technologies program, and I'm a Metallica Scholar.
My name is Noah Hess. I'm in the automotive program at North Idaho College, and I'm a second year. Metallica scholarship funding allowed me to commute back and forth to school and also go visit my family in Sandpoint. So I ended up spending a lot of money on gas and basically allowed me to support myself while going to school. The scholarship has allowed me basically to spend less time working and spend more time focusing on school, getting my homework done, studying properly so I can get good grades and be ready for my career when I graduate. Once I graduate, kind of still unsure. I want to get a job at a dealership or an independent shop so I can continue to further advance my skills in this career, just become a better technician. My experience at NIC's automotive program has been phenomenal. First year program is really great, but the second year they really step it up a notch, and we're working on customer vehicles, so it's real world experience, and they ask a lot more out of you. And I like the challenge, so it's been really enjoyable for me. It's just awesome. My recommendation for anyone who's going into any trade program here at NIC, or specifically the automotive trade program, is come at it viewing it like it's your job, because really what the goal is to train you as an entry-level technician here in the automotive program, and you're going to be going directly into the field after this. So you should be treating your experience here like it's your career. The more you step up during your time here, then the better chances you have of getting a job. My favorite Metallica song, that's a tough one. My dad bought me the Master of Puppets album probably when I was around 12 years old, and he also got us like a boombox, and I listened to the entire album like for the entire summer on repeat. And I'm torn between Master of Puppets and I think One. Those are probably my two favorite songs.
My name's Noah and I'm a Metallica Scholar.